Okay, I'll admit, my head was spinning a bit as I struggled to absorb JP's instructions.
I grab onto my bar. You'll notice the kite isn't fluttering.
Yeah.
You pull back on the right-hand side, and up comes the kite.
Let's see, there's wind direction, other riders, your wind window, spreader bar, tacking. Don't forget the chicken loop, just to name a few. So here's the situation. We're strapping a large kite to me, wind speed 15, 20 knots, skill level of rider, 0.
I'm gonna launch the kite, I'm gonna demonstrate how to body drag, and then we're gonna have you do it.
And we're doing this intentionally, right?
Yes. Now we wanna do what's called a power stroke. Down into the power zone, and down into the water.
Okay, so I'm gonna go that way. After a few body drags, it was time to strap on the board. I feel like I'm at the top of the roller coaster, you know, and that click, 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 click.
Excellent. All right, take your time. Go, go, go.
After multiple attempts, I finally got up for a few seconds and got a taste of what it feels like to kiteboard.
Yeah! Be pumped, man. Be pumped. That's good.
Nice job.
When that wind grabs you, you better hold on. For those of you who want to try kiteboarding, I highly recommend getting professional lessons. It'll be money well spent. It's an exhilarating feeling having the wind just pull you up out of the water like that. Okay, so here's what we know about kiteboarding. You'll need to find an instructor and take a class. Try a teacher's kite before investing in your own. Get the right size kite for you. Remember, the bigger the faster. Wear a wetsuit and protective footwear, and don't forget your sunscreen.
I love the fact that I can go out on the water in the wind and just cruise anywhere I want.